In the heart of District 15 lies this spacious terrace that houses a family of 3. The modest modern home inhabits a minimalistic contemporary design that will never go out of style. This design concept was derived from the idea of having the homeowners come home to a space that is too cozy for words. Classic colors are used to withstand the test of time as the light and neutral shades bring comfort to the eyes, making it versatile to place decor items and furniture that are uniquely yours. Classic marble stones are used as kitchen countertops that are paired with dark, neutral carpentry works. The combination of defined marble patterns and plain colors complement each other, creating this timeless, stylish design. The young master's bedroom on the second floor consists of soft grey and brown tones that work stunningly together. The rest chair at the recessed area is the spot to vibe on a lazy afternoon. It is the perfect habitat for someone who values comfort and sensibility without having to compromise some time for relaxation and fun. Through the narrow foyer, we designed a cozy corridor of full-height wardrobes that lead to the common bathroom with a large window pane overlooking the neighboring houses. In the original floor plan, what was once a 2-bedroom floor was merged into a massive master bedroom. The long row of glass-paneled wardrobe sits comfortably on the dark-stained parquet floor. The plain ceiling was knocked down to reveal a beautiful pitched roof that elevates the room entirely. The structure is supported by raw wood beams that are painted in black to blend cohesively with the grand space. Behind this door reveals a beautiful master bathroom with white marble tiles that dominate the grand bathtub and the full-length twin vanity. Bigger format tiles were used to show lesser grout lines, creating a seamless finishing, projecting a luxurious, elegant feel that replicates a spa-like bathroom that you would experience in hotels. From the neutral color palette to minimalistic decor, this house brings the comfort and warmth that the homeowners were looking for. Where less is more, we wanted to make sure that the design would never lose its charm, no matter the decade. If you like this minimalistic contemporary design, feel free to reach out to one of our experts at Posh Home. In the meantime, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel where we post our latest projects. Till the next time!